Hello everyone, I am Shubham from Maximal Studios and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a rather interesting workflow to discuss. So, what we are building today is a AI newsletter, especially in the field of grants. So, if you are a researcher, you might know about this website called grants.gov, which lets you fetch grants in your research field. But it's very cumbersome to come here, put in keywords, finding the ones which are posted recently every day. So, what if we could automate this and you could get a newsletter every day with the relevant postings on this particular website? So, that's what we built in this free tool called n8n. Uh, what we do here is we take all the posts, convert them into a newsletter relevant to you, and get it to you. So yeah, so if you want to carry go along with me, you can go to our website maximalstudios.in and go to the resources and go to this automation resources to follow along. You can import that resource into from a URL into your n8n instance, which is free to create, and then you can start with us. So before I explain how this workflow works, what is going to happen is we have this sheet on Airtable which has opportunity number, status, etc. for each grant. So what our workflow will do is it will scrape through all the existing grants on this website, say this Pass Muscat, and then go through each of the grant and then put it into this table if it matches your custom instructions. So let's test the workflow and see the demo. So what is happening here is it's fetching the grants from your table from the website which we just saw, then getting grant details for each of the grant. So say this particular grant, it will go here, find all the details about it. Then it will create a summary of the synopsis, what the grant is all about, and then it will match it with your eligibility factors, checking whether your specific research matches this grant or not. And then if it does, it will put it in an Airtable sheet. So as you can see, more and more documents have been queried. Yeah, once that is done, the entries will be saved to the Airtable sheet. Let's check. Yeah, so as you can see, all the entries have been added here. Now the other part, the second half of the newsletter is actually sending this to your subscribers. So what we have done is we have created another table with fake subscribers. You can add it through any way you want, and whoever subscribes to these particular newsletter, you can then set up this trigger workflow which will run at 9 a.m. Check the eligible grants and generate HTML template and send it to all your subscribers. So now let's check the second half of the workflow, which is the newsletter part. So what you can do is you will have a sheet. So along with grants in the Airtable, you can collect these emails from like your website or something. So whoever subscribes to this particular newsletter, you can also set active or disactive. Whoever subscribes to this will get the newsletter in their email inbox through our workflow, which will run at 9 a.m. every day, and it will get the grants converted to an HTML template, get the subscribers and send them the mails. Yeah, so that's it from this video. If you want all the resources, they'll be mentioned in our description. And yeah, this workflow can be converted into various, it can be customized into various ways. Like in our future video, we'll be discussing how you can convert this for fetching, like say open properties, bank auctions, etc. Like you can extend this any way possible. Yeah, so that's it from my side. Thank you for watching. Bye.